Hey guys, so I've got a quick video. I'm going to show you how to reset oil maintenance required light on a 2011 GX460 Lexus. The same procedure works for almost like from 2010 to almost 2018. Could be up and down a little bit. Same thing works for a lot of other Lexuses, the ES, LS, and IS. They all have very similar procedures. So usually these older ones, they had the button over here for the trip. On this one, the trip button is right over here. So first thing we're gonna do is press it once and go on trip A, then turn the car off. Then we're gonna press and hold the trip button and press the start button. Just turn the ignition on only. Once you can see the countdown going backwards. Is complete, so that confirms that it's been reset. You can always turn it off, start it back, and no message. So very simple procedure. I know the check engine light, traction, and 4-low is on, but there's a different problem. So very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.